The P&ID is based on the process flow diagram. It depicts the technical realization of a process by means of graphical symbols representing equipment and piping together with graphical symbols for process measurement and control functions. And that is the main goal of the P&ID, that is to have in only one document many information as possible in order that the team in plant design can build and erect a plant. There are other standards that discuss about P&ID, and some of that is the process industry practice. There are also the South Australian Water Corporation and a very famous international standards for automation. And I recommend you to take a look on them to have a better view what is the importance of this document for process engineering, plant design, and get familiar with piping and instrumentation reading.